Hello everyone, welcome back to our Diya Prelims initiative where we discuss the important current affairs which are there in news. So do you know about this particular information, Shumang Leela? So yes, very important from culture point of view, very important from history point of view, cultural history. Okay, so Shumang Leela, देखिए इस image को कुछ idea लग रहा है? Yes, no? So let's have a look at the question, then we will understand that why we are discussing it. So from art and culture point of view, you should know about this. Shumang Leela is a traditional form of theatre where in Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya, Assam. So what is the answer? A, B, C, D. Let me know your stand. एक ऐसे guess मारो. Guess मारते हैं, देखते हैं कि क्या सही आंसर है. वैसे ही डिस्कस करेंगे. We will discuss about it. Okay. So Shumang Leela, before Shumang Leela, I would say that when we are discussing about all the northeastern states, so there are limited traditional art forms from northeastern states which we should know. ठीक है, अदरवाइज तो आए दिन कुछ ना कुछ न्यूज़ में आता है. जब भी हमारे ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर नॉर्थ ईस्ट जाते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ फेस्टिवल होता है. हॉर्नबिल फेस्टिवल, मेघालय का एक डब्ल्यू से फेस्टिवल है, इफ़ यू नो प्लीज़ लेट मी नो. ओके, सो आसाम के फेस्टिवल हैं, मणिपुर के फेस्टिवल्स हैं, नागालैंड के हैं. सो दे आर पॉपुलर वन और लिमिटेड हैं, पॉपुलर हैं. हाउएवर डाइवर्सिटी बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो याद रखने में कभी कभी लगता है कि एवरी डे सम और द अदर थिंग इज कमिंग अप, लेकिन प्रोमिनेंट नेम्स हमें याद रखने हैं. एक क्लासिकल डांस भी है. सो इफ यू नो, लेट मी नो इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन अबाउट द क्लासिकल डांस एज वेल. सो टू थिंग्स यू हैव टू टेल मी: द नेम ऑफ the theater or art from Meghalaya starting from W, and about the classical dance from the northeastern states. Okay, let's discuss about this Shumang Leela. So ignore here, it will be G, Shumang Leela. Okay, so the art of gender bending, Shumang Leela, and Manipur's traditional art form of Shumang Leela. तो कहाँ का है ये पता चल गया. This is the article from The Hindu. It was there on January 29th, 2023, Shumang Leela. So the art of gender bending. क्या है ये Shumang Leela? एक बार देख लेते हैं. So Shumang Leela, it is the traditional art form जहाँ पे role of women are played by men, role of men are played by women. So उसके दो forms हैं, नुपी साहबीज एंड नुपा साहबीज. हाउएवर उतना याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, रोल रिवर्सल होता है. अगर लेडीज का गर्ल्स वुमेन का फीमेल का कैरेक्टर है, वो मेल परफॉर्म करते हैं, मेल का कैरेक्टर फीमेल परफॉर्म करती हैं. सो दैट इज वेरी यूनिक एस्पेक्ट ऑफ दिस एंड इट इज परफॉर्म्ड इन ओपन एरिया. एक बीच में ऐसे थिएटर होता है और चारों तरफ से लोग रहते हैं. इट इज परफॉर्म्ड इन दैट वे एंड इट इज बिलीव दैट इट इज द डिसेंडेंट. It has been descended from Lai Haroba, a ritual art of Methi community of Manipur. ये आपने अपनी NCERTs में और स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स में पढ़ा होगा लाई हरोबा, राइट. मणिपुर के ट्रेडिशन से लाई हरोबा के बारे में पढ़ा होगा, CCERT में पढ़ा होगा आपने. सो लाई हरोबा, ओके. सो इट इज बिलीव दैट इट इज टू बी डिसेंडेड फ्रॉम लाई हरोबा ट्रेडिशंस. Other things are which are important related to this, that it is serving as a medium to create awareness, to spread awareness among people about social, political, economic issues. It is being used, it has been traditionally used to create awareness. Not only that, sometimes Shumang Leela also discusses moral values, unity and integrity issues, and most importantly, from long time it is being used to strengthen the brotherhood and friendship among the various communities. अभी हमें पता है कि नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स में क्या है, स्मॉल ट्राइबल ग्रुप्स आर देयर, स्मॉल कम्युनिटीज आर देयर, उनकी अपनी टेरिटरी होती है. सो दिस थिएटर इज बीइंग यूज्ड टू क्रिएट फ्रेंडशिप एंड ब्रदरहुड. सो अभी मेंस के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी जब हम लिखते हैं दैट ओके दिस इज द केस स्टडी, व्हाट विल यू डू, हाउ विल यू ब्रिंग रिफॉर्म, बिहेवियरल चेंजेस, यू कैन यूज सच एग्जांपल्स. ऑफन वी राइट अबाउट नुक्कड़ नाटक, बट वी शुड नो दैट कुछ और अलग लिख सकते हैं. शुमांग लीला, यस. So here, as you can see, the image was there. Shumang Leela was used by the government to create the awareness around the COVID. COVID से related awareness के लिए भी use किया गया था. So that way we can, whenever we are writing a case study or whenever we are writing in art and culture में mains में के point of view से, there also you can use it as an example. Prelims में इतना ही पूछेगा Shumang Leela क्या है, कहाँ का है. So that we should know. Okay. Not only that, Shumang Leela is also being seen as a tool for the empowerment of transgender community. जब मेल का रोल फीमेल परफॉर्म करती है, sometimes it has happened that transgender people from transgender community, they are invited, they are being given such roles. So it is an empowerment for them. So traditional art where transgenders are also playing role, उनका भी एक definite role होता है, उनको भी opportunity मिलती है. So it is an empowerment for them, right? And in 2020, it was again in news in 2022 as well, last year, because pension scheme and the benefits under Ayushman Bharat, the coverage was extended to the artist of the Shumang Leela. So that's why, that is also one of the reasons because of which it was in news last year. Okay, so transgender के बारे में भी जब लिख रहे हो, that what all we can do for their empowerment, we write n number of examples. This can be also one of the example when you are writing mains. Yes, I am telling you mains because अभी जब हम prelims पढ़ते हैं ना, especially history, art and culture, especially history, art and culture की जो factual information होती है, we don't have that understanding, maturity that how we can use this information in our mains answer writing. So while you are revising, and if you have done enough practice, you know that what you have to pick up from the prelims revision. But those who have not done enough writing, let me tell you that these information you can directly write in your answers. तो एक maturity रखो कि इसको use कैसे करना है. This is it for Shumang Leela. Let's revisit the question again. So here G will be there, so ignore the typing error. And the answer is Manipur, C. C is the answer. Now let's match and check whether you have got the right answer or not. Okay, so this is it in today's video, the prelims. So here we are discussing only few aspects from the current affairs, but in order to cover the holistic coverage of the current affairs from last one, अगर prelims के लिए बात करें, so last 1.5 years का जो भी current affairs है, that we are covering under this program, under this course, current affairs classes for UPSC prelims, and there is no need to worry at all about the compilations or the newspapers. So this is starting from 20th, the first batch we are starting from the 20th of February. You can check the details in the comment section. We have uploaded the demo video, orientation video is there, you can check the details. Definitely it will help you if you are worrying about the current affairs compilations, if you are worrying about the current affairs coverage, it will help you. See you all, take care. We will meet in another video tomorrow. Bye-bye.